What's up, everybody? You got the Car Man, and we are checking our work behind the PCV valve change on an 02 Toyota Corolla. Long story short, we had a real high fuel trim, and it was actually negative, so we were P0171. So we changed out the valve, which is in the previous video, which is going to be the #1 video, and then and this is what we got. If we can read it, we had a P0171. We changed out the positive crankcase ventilation and the valve cover, and now it's time to see what actually happened, if it made a difference. So let's just go ahead and just see this. I'm hitting live data right now. It's going to take just a second. So while that's pulling up, I'm not sure why we're froze here, but I guess it doesn't matter. View live data. Meanwhile, everything we use is on our Amazon, which you'll see in our description at the bottom of the video. And of course, we're doing this in order to give you as much information as possible to save you and your family some money, and something you can actually use so you don't get ripped off by unscrupulous mechanics. Hate to say the world's got a few of those in it. Meanwhile, when we first did this, our RPM was really high, and I was not happy with that, as y'all are all very well. Now the RPM is perfect, so all we need to do now is check the fuel trim. The fuel trim is around -13, if I remember correctly. And here we are right here. It's just a matter of getting it in focus, so just bear with me for a second to hold this camera by my hand. You see that number on the very bottom, STFT, that short-term fuel trim? It was -12 to 13. I told you it needed to be as close to 0 as it could. A little to the good, a little to the negative. We're fine as long as it's bouncing around. I've got no issue with that. That is a lot better than we were. So we have, in fact, fixed the massive air leak that this Toyota Corolla had. The gas mileage ought to improve dramatically. And I think a good thing has happened. So, all right. We're going to get prepared for our next video, which we have an evap problem, 446. And I'm going to go ahead and call this one good in the books. If you get a chance to subscribe, I really would appreciate it, as we're trying to build our channel. Also, I'm broadcasting daily on Instagram, little tips that may help you out. And we appreciate the love from the YouTube family. Nothing but peace and love from the Car Man. I hope you get your PCV fixed. And remember, it will save you gas, save your engine, give you more horsepower. Hell, it'll probably even help you sleep better at night. Meanwhile, love you. See ya.